Hello and welcome to our school. My name is Dreama Mayfield and I'm the proud principal at Villita Elementary, a Command Coding Academy. Our goal is for you to learn more about our school. You know, the school that you choose for your child's education is one of the most important choices that you will make as a parent. Let me tell you why our school would be a great choice. Villita Elementary is one of the Command Coding Academies in Carrollton Farmers Branch ISD. All students participate in coding activities using a curriculum that begins with block coding and progresses to text coding. Students use programs such as Code.org, Scratch, Lego We Do Robotics, and Minecraft. When we look at the coding curriculum, we can see that our students are being creative. They are communicating with one another. They are engaged. They are problem solving. And they are being persistent because they want their coding to work. Coding is just fun, it's engaging, and it requires our students to be collaborators and confident problem solvers. And parents, isn't that really what you want in your workplace? Don't you want to be and work with people that are problem solvers and that are collaborators? Well, we are teaching our students that at a very young age. Steve Jobs said, "Everybody in this country should learn to program a computer because it teaches you how to think." Well, we are teaching our students how to think. This particular graphic caught the attention of our fifth graders when we were talking about careers. A computer science major can earn 40% more than the college average. Well, what's interesting is that the careers or jobs that our students or your children will have in the future, they haven't even been invented yet. So, the opportunities that computer science will bring to our students are unlimited. Our students love coding, but our parents have shared their thoughts with you about our coding program. You know, prior to COVID-19, we invited our parents to come to the classroom and see what their child was working on. When our parents were leaving, the one comment that I heard again and again and again was, "My child is so excited. They are happy, and they are so eager to explain what they had to do to get their project to work." And really, they did such a great job explaining it in person and here at school, because when I had them at home and they were telling me about what they were doing, I had no idea what they were talking about. So our parents are excited about our coding program just like our students. Well, coding is just part of our school, but what else is so special about Villita Elementary? Well, Villita Elementary is a place where our students feel empowered. Our diverse population represents different cultures, different religions, and different languages from across the globe. Our students speak about 24 different languages here at Villita. Well, let's just go ahead and take a peek inside our building.
something better, like we get on the carpet and stand up and do a brain break. I love La Villita because everybody is nice, friendly, and kind.
What I like about La Villita is that as a calm, quiet workspace, and the classmates are very friendly.
I like La Villita because, in science, we do projects which are really fun.
The teachers are very nice, and also my teacher is very encouraging.
What does she do that's encouraging?
Like when one of our classmates were frustrated, she said that you should keep trying.
The main thing that I like about La Villita is the teachers, mostly because if you're stuck on a really hard problem, they'll make you work it out, but they'll still help you. And everything that you do, it may be moderated, but you may have a really good time doing it.
The thing I like about La Villita is the special events like book fairs and coding. Last year we made different kinds of animals out of robots, like with robotic Legos, and we had really fun and learned new ways to help each other and problem solve.
We are fortunate to have such a beautiful building, but what happens inside the school with the staff and the students is what really counts. For example, when I look at this picture here, the teacher greeting a student in the morning, wow, it just warms my heart. You know, the teacher may greet the student in the morning and give them a high five or a fist bump, and that child enters that classroom with such a big smile on their face, ready to start their day with such amazing teachers. So let's kind of talk about expert teachers here for just a moment. And this is where you may see a difference if you are going to compare our school to a private school or to a charter school. Because our teachers are highly qualified and they meet the rigorous requirements for certification from the Texas Education Agency. So, 100% of our La Villita teachers are certified in their core subject area. So that means that if you teach science or reading or math or art or music, that you have the knowledge and skills and that you are certified to teach that content. Also, 100% of our teachers are certified as English as a second language instructor. Many of our teachers are certified with their GT certification, so that means they can work with our gifted and talented students. And our teachers in grades K through 3 participated in Texas Reading Academy, and they're receiving additional training in the science of teaching reading, because we all know reading is the foundation for student success. And we want our teachers to have the latest research-based skills to teach and meet the needs of our students. La Villita is a high-performing campus that demonstrates student achievement, school progress, and closing the achievement gap. In 2019, the Texas Education Agency gave our school an A rating. Well, academics is definitely part of any school, but you also have to look at the whole child when you're providing education for students, and you want to meet the needs of each student. For example, this year has been a challenge because we had students that came to school and received instruction in the classroom, and then we had students receiving instruction from our teachers here at school, but the student was at home working on their device. So we have to be flexible and creative enough to meet the needs of every student. Also, in a school, oh my goodness, you have to have some fun and you have to hear laughter. And as you can see with those two pictures there, our students definitely have fun on Pajama Day, and we all love Pajama Day. We also talk about the growth of our students. We always want our students to show growth no matter where they are when they enter that grade level. But we also talk about having a growth mindset. You know, when a student says, oh, I made a mistake, or this is too hard, I can never be this smart, we simply say, well, mistakes help you learn. And yes, this might take some time, but you can do it. I know you can learn this. Our teachers do a fantastic job of building relationships with the students. That classroom is a family. And I'll tell you, they don't walk in the door being kind to one another, being respectful, sharing, saying nice things. Those are skills that our teachers teach our students. And they may have activities in the classroom that they are doing, or you may see even activities throughout our school. So for example, be the eye in kind. Or the greatest gift that you can give to others is the gift of unconditional love and acceptance. So what does that mean to you? When looking at the whole child, we have special programs that may meet the needs of our students. We have special ed services such as Learning Lab. We have speech therapy. For students that may have problems with reading, we have dyslexia support. We have services to meet the needs of our gifted and talented students. And we have 2 amazing school counselors. Our counselors go into the classroom to provide guidance lessons, and they are here to provide support to our students throughout the school day. When educating the whole child, we can't forget about our fine arts department. We have art and music and PE. Students will have those classes weekly. Our students may participate in an art show, or they may have an evening musical performance. Our students also have a wonderful selection of materials in the library that they can access, and we have a certified librarian as well. We ask our students, what would you tell future students coming to La Villita about our school? So I'm just going to give you a few moments to look at some of these comments that our students wrote. I do want to let you know that we don't forget about our families. We have fun activities for our families to participate in as well. We may do a family fun night. We could do an ice cream social. We may have a restaurant night. We even invited our families to come to school and walk with our students around the canal. So we try to involve our families and our students and try to meet the various needs of all of our students. When I first started, and you first started on this tour today of our school, we talked about that choosing a school for your child is one of the most important choices that you make as a parent. So don't forget that at La Villita Elementary, we have highly qualified teachers. We have a fantastic coding program, and we have a variety of special services and programs that can meet the needs of your child. So thank you so much for coming. We look forward to meeting our future leopards.